Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Stripe Publishable key, secret key, and Webhook signing secret. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first step is to head over to Stripe's official website and sign into your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Stripe dashboard. From the dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Developer section. Go to bottom left and click on Developers, and within that menu, select the API Keys option. This is one of the most important areas for anyone setting up Stripe integrations. Inside the API Keys section, you'll find your Publishable key and your secret key. These are the two main components needed to connect Stripe to your application. You can simply click to copy each key, saving them for later use in your integration. Now, to find your Webhook signing secret, again, go to the Developer options and click on it. From this menu, select Webhooks, and you will be taken to your Webhooks page. Here, if you already have any webhook created, you can simply find your Webhook's secret right there, and that's it. So that is how you can get Stripe Publishable key, secret key, and Webhook signing secret. So that's all for this video. Thanks.